Hey, poor guy with Blackstone doing some breakfast. We are going to attempt to make our version of the McGriddle. You know that tasty sandwich you get at McDonald's? It's got a little deal with syrup in it, some sausage, egg. It's that simple. So I'm going to show you some things, but I'm going to get the sausage started. Now we did attempt these, sugar snaps. We did attempt these a little bit last week. I'm going to have to wash my hands after I do this. And it turned out good, but we went and got a handy little device made by Blackstone. And as soon as I get these on here, I'll show you what I got and what I'm talking about. So when we tried it last week, they were tasty, but I tried to use great value frozen sausage, and the one that we had in the house was the spicy hot one, and the texture was a little off. Come on, you bugger. And the hot and spicy just wasn't the way to go. So we when we shopped this morning, we got some of that Jimmy Dean, the roll of sausage, and just flatten these out into patties. So that we're going to start with that because that takes a little bit to cook. Be right back. Entertain yourselves for a minute, please.
Yep.
Okay. So that's what we're going to start at. Now let me tell you I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. This sucker right here. Basically it's an egg ring or a pancake ring, or you can do quiche or whatever you want. It's silicone. It's made by Blackstone. Sorry about the cat here. Well, you're not eating it, we are. This was 20 bucks. It was a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but we tried it with some other egg rings per se last week, and it just didn't work out that great. It stuck a little bit. I don't know how this is going to work, but I've heard good things about it. So I'm going to turn down the flame a little. So basically what we're going to do, I'm going to talk you through how we're going to do it, and then we'll do another time-lapse video with a funny little song that you folks might enjoy while I'm doing that. So we're going to cook the sausage first. We're going to set them aside, and then we had Dawn make up just some simple pancake mix. So we're going to do 6, and to get the the maple flavor that those McGriddle have, we put the pancake mix in, do a little squirt of maple syrup. Cook those off till they're nice and done. I'm not really good at pancakes, so I'll need supervision. And then we are going to do the eggs in here, just fried eggs. And then when we get all done, just assemble them. So it should be simple. We'll see how it works. First time, you'll see. And appreciate it. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. Let me go ahead and flip these sausage. That was interesting, huh?
Awesome.
So we're out here in the side of our yard, and it's all right, guys. He's a nice guy. And a guy coming down the neighborhood here was kind of watching what we were doing, because we're pretty exposed to everybody, other than this privacy fence, which is kind of useless. But so he was standing there watching us, and he rolled down the window. He's like, "Hey, man, that's awesome." That was kind of funny, huh?
Yeah, I was wondering because he was just standing there.
Yeah.
And then he backed up. I'm like, uh-oh, trouble.
So yeah, maybe I got a fan. I should have told him who I am, and could have got another subscriber. Hey, also too, I just touched my microphone. Sorry. I want to say a special hello to some people. Because I don't know if you folks know, but I work for Frito-Lay. I deliver chips. I got my own route. And I'm out in kind of western Oklahoma. And I got a little town on there by the name of Calumet. And there's a little store called Jiffy Trip. And I got some good friends that work there. And I think some new subscribers just from that store. So I want to say hi to Keelan, Beth, Chris, and Mickey too. I don't know if Mickey watches my stuff, but just want to say hi to you guys. Remember to subscribe, tell your friends, subscribe. I want to retire someday. So Okay, we're going to go ahead and cook these up. We'll get a little close when we're doing the pancake part of it and the egg part of it, but we'll do it on kind of time lapse, all right? So thanks for watching.
Baking pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancake. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancake. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancake. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I'll put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancakes.
Okay, everything's cooked. So we're just going to go ahead and assemble one so everyone can see what they look like. There's your McGriddle. And however you want to build it, we'll go ahead and do an egg. Bloop. And a sausage. Bloop. And another pancake part. Bam. That's it. Tell me that doesn't look good. You know, how much do McGriddles cost you nowadays? I don't know. Do they even still sell them? $5-6? But I don't think it's cheap anymore. So we got all this. Another great idea from Blackstone. Not my idea. None of it was my idea. But, you know, I follow Blackstone on Facebook, saw the recipe, and gave it a try. So hopefully you all give it a try if you have a Blackstone and enjoy it. And remember, subscribe, like, comment. Oh, by the way, won't be any videos next week. We're going to be preparing because we're going to be traveling halfway across the country. We're going to go back to Rochester, New York and visit some family there. And so we won't have time. But what I was thinking is when we come back, it's going to be football season. So if anybody watches and can comment on what, you know, might be a good idea to do Super Bowl, not Super Bowl, but football related on the Blackstone, that would be great. If I don't get any ideas, I might just go ahead and show everybody here in Oklahoma how you actually make buffalo wings. But it will not be on the Blackstone because you do not make chicken wings on the Blackstone. I don't care what anybody says. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.